16 divided by 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. And here we have 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. So 2 divided by 2 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division. And then this division, not this division. Finally, we have to do this division. So first 16 divided by 8, which equals 2. So 2 divided by 4 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division, not this division. 2 divided by 4. We can write 2 over 4. And here we have divided by 2. Now we have 2 over 4 divided by 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We can write 2 over 4. Okay, keep the first fraction 2 over 4, then times 1 over 2. Now we can easily cancel these 2 and these 2. So 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 1 over 4 times 1, which equals just 4. That means our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 4, or 0.25. The correct answer is 0.25.